In this video, we're going to look at a formula for finding the arc length of a curve. So let's look at the statement here. If y equal f of x has a continuous derivative f prime on the interval from a to b, then the arc length of f between a and b is given by this definite integral. We'll call it s, is equal to the integral from a to b of the square root of 1 plus the derivative of the function squared. So the first problem we're going to look here, this will be pretty basic. Just find the arc length of the line y equal 2x over the interval from 0 to 1 and show that the answer agrees with the formula for the distance between 2 points. So for this particular problem, you don't really need this formula. You can use the distance formula for finding the distance between 2 points of a line. But all you had to do, it's f or y equal f of x. You can use that. So in our case, we just take the derivative of the function, linear function given. The derivative here is, derivative of 2x is 2. So this is the length of the arc. The integral will go from 0, in our case, from 0 to 1, and then it'll be the square root of 1 plus 2. So it'll be the derivative squared. So in our case, we got 2, and then you square it. So that's going to give us 4. This is dx. So this is then just the square root of 5. We integrate with respect to x, so it'll be square root of 5. Evaluate it from 0 to 1. So evaluate at 1, we get square root of 5, and then minus the value at 0 is 0, so this is just going to give us the square root of 5. And since we're measuring length, this will be linear units. So square root of 5 linear units. Now let's check it. This is show that the answer agrees with the formula for the distance between 2 points. Well, at 0, place the x by 0 in the function, the given function. Y equal to x, we get 0. Replace the x by 1, and we get 2. And then we use the distance formula, and that's going to be the square root of the difference in the x values. 1 minus 0 is 1, and then you square it, you get 1. And then 2 minus 0 is 2, and then you square it, you get 4. So we get an answer of the square root of 5. Again, for this one, you don't need to use this formula. It's not needed. You have a distance formula. But we'll have some more interesting problems where the distance formula between 2 points is not going to work. We'll have to use this formula here. So those problems are coming up in subsequent videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.